If you're seeing the Google Drive error 401 disabled_client, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error usually means there's a problem with your Google sign-in session, browser data, or in some cases, a restriction from a school or work account. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this one. Let's start with the simplest solution first. Open Google Drive and click your Google profile picture in the top right corner. From there, choose Sign Out. Once you're fully signed out, sign back in again using the same account. This refreshes your Google Authentication and can often clear up the 401 disabled_client issue right away. If the problem was caused by a temporary login session glitch, this step may fix it immediately. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. If you're using Google Chrome, open the browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cookies and cached images and files. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with Google Drive and cause sign-in or permission errors. After clearing the data, restart your browser completely and try opening Google Drive again. Now let's try another very useful fix, which is Incognito Mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a new Incognito window. Then go back to Google Drive and try signing in there. Incognito Mode disables many extensions and uses a cleaner browser session, which makes it a great way to test whether the issue is being caused by stored cookies, cached data, or an extension conflict. If Google Drive works in incognito, then the problem is likely tied to your normal browser session. Another thing to check is whether your browser extensions are interfering with Google login. Some extensions, especially privacy tools, ad blockers, or script blockers, can break Google Authentication and trigger errors like disabled_client. If the issue only happens in your regular browser and not in incognito, try disabling extensions one by one and testing Google Drive again. If you're using a school or work account, this is especially important. Google Workspace administrators can disable certain apps or clients, which may be the real reason you're seeing the 401 disabled_client error. In that case, the problem may not be on your device at all. You may need to contact your administrator and ask whether access to Google Drive or the specific client has been restricted. And if none of those steps solve it, try a different browser. You can test Google Drive in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Sometimes the issue is browser specific, and switching browsers is enough to get everything working again. This also helps you narrow down whether the problem is caused by your browser settings, extensions, or account permissions. So to quickly recap, sign out and sign back in, clear your cache and cookies, try incognito mode, check for browser extensions, review workspace restrictions if you're on a managed account, and test another browser. One of these fixes usually resolves the Google Drive error 401 disabled_client. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Google Drive issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.